This is the best pizza in the whole wide world!
Today we are making naan bread pizzas, which are quick, easy, and healthy for the kiddos. Okay, so we are starting with these naan breads. There's also a roasted red pepper, I believe. So we're just putting out 2.
Because one is for me and one is for Mommy.
Yes.
Dad got 4 packs of pizza of these.
Right, so everybody can have their own just the way they like it, right?
What?
Okay, so we sprayed our pan and put our naan breads on there. And then we are going to put our sauce on it. Okay, you want to do the spoon? Okay, spread that out with your spoon.
Mom, how about I'll spread mine out and you spread yours out?
That sounds like a great idea. Get all to the edge. We want sauce on the whole thing. We might need a little bit more.
Ooh.
It's okay. Alright. Want me to do? Okay.
That little more.
Yep.
I go
Get
around
all that to the edge. Just depends on how much sauce you like. Alright. Now we're going to do our spices now for Everly. No, you do put this on there. You didn't know that Mommy did that, huh? You want to shake it on it? You don't need a lot. Look, like, do. You get it on there all the time. You just didn't know I put it on there. But Mommy likes Italian seasoning. I like a little bit of crushed red pepper too.
Can I do mine?
You won't want this on there. Mommy never puts this on there because it makes it spicy. Okay, now we need cheese. With mozzarella. Sometimes we do mixtures, but usually just mozzarella. All on the sauce part.
Oops, I get some of yours.
Yep, more. You're gonna need a lot more than that. Get some more. You want to cover up the sauce. Like it super cheesy, huh?
Yes, love it, super cheesy. I guess I just need that.
All right.
I just like the outside open.
Okay, now you don't want pepperonis on yours tonight? No? Okay. Well, Mommy likes pepperonis on mine.
Okay, Mom, can I cut the peppers for yours?
Yeah, will you put a few pepperonis on my... Will you put pepperonis on my pizza first?
Sure.
Okay. Just a couple.
Those are just really hot. I mean, eat one.
Eat one. Go for it.
How many?
All right, that's enough.
I'm gonna put 2 on mine.
Okay, that works. I have a smiley face. Okay, and then I want a few onions on mine. Will you put a few onions on my pizza? They're not gonna make you cry. You're not cutting them. Okay, put some right there.
You get the red color!
They're already cut up for us, so that's good. Okay, now, kiddos can cut some of your vegetables up because these are kid-safe knives and they work really, really well. So, I'm gonna split it in half for you to get you started because we're not gonna need all that pepper. Probably need just a 1/4 of it, not even quite a 1/4. Cut it up real small for Mommy. Now you hold the pepper with one hand. There you go. Good. These are really easy to use. I'm gonna let her cut some and I'm gonna cut some, but just so you can see that I use these too a lot of times and don't even use regular knives because these...
Mommy, drop some.
It's okay. These work very well for this.
Yeah.
They cut meat too, potatoes. They work pretty well. Baby, you gotta hold the pepper while you cut. And I got these off of Amazon, and I can put the link to them in the comment section. But they work really well. Add some pepper. You can add anything you want to these, but this is what we like on ours.
I don't like some.
You don't like the peppers. All right, will you put some of these peppers on mine?
Oh. Ooh.
It's okay. Put some on that part. Okay, and these are going to go into the oven at 400 degrees, which we already have preheated. And
Yeah, and I'm gonna count the numbers.
they will cook for 10 minutes.
Mom, all the pizzas are cooking. Can I go play?
Yes, you can go play.
Thank you, Mommy. Oh, hug.
Love you. Can I have a kiss? Oh.
A black card.
Now you got lipstick on you. Oh.
Bruh, somebody's gonna have to clean this kitchen. Pizza!
This is the best pizza in the whole wide world. Cheese.
Or just cheese on it.
Hey everybody, if you love hot cocoa, go to the next video and Maison recipe.